Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off of that head. Shawty get thrown off in that ring. Shawty get thrown off in my bed.
Hey Nation, it's your girl Jonique, making it look unique, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name's Jonique and I create fashion related content from outfit inspo, hauls, vlogs, and things like that. So if that seems to interest you, smash the subscribe button down below. In today's video, I am going to be doing a collective haul featuring Boohoo, Forever 21, and Charlotte Russe. So be sure to watch this video all the way to the end, and don't forget to tell me which piece was your favorite. Okay guys, first up is this crop varsity sweater. I really like this sweater. I love how it has a twist on like varsity mixed with your cardigan. So this is a very unique type of cardigan. I did get this in a size large, and I'm glad that I did because it fits perfectly. It's made with like a knitted material, and it is in a tan color, and they do have some brown accents in it, so it adds something different to it. It does come with buttons, so if you want to button it up, do an off the shoulder moment, you can do that as well. I will show you on Instagram, I did style this with some black leather boots, so I will insert the picture here so you can have an idea how to style something like this.
I need a little bit of that sunshine. You know I'm finna go all night.
Next up is this crop corduroy jacket. I've never owned a piece of corduroy, and I was like, you know what? It was in season this winter, so I wanted to pick up a corduroy piece. It is very lightweight, and it's a great thick material. I did get this in a size large, and it is in the color pine bark. It does come with some buttons, so if you want to button it up, you have the option to do so. There is some like little pockets here. I would say it's not the thickest material, so just keep that in mind. If you're looking for like a thick corduroy jacket, this isn't the one for you, but based on the temperatures where I live, this would be the perfect fashionable jacket. Next up are these fleece graphic joggers. I did get this in a size large, and there's a nice thick band, so there is a lot of room. It is pretty stretchy. It's different from your basic gray sweatpants, your black sweatpants. So this is something different that you can add to your wardrobe. The only downside I would say to these joggers is that there are no pockets. That's the only problem. I wish there was pockets. I'm a pocket girl for stuff like these for sure. Next up is this ribbed jumpsuit. I did get it in a size large, and it is a nylon spandex material. So as you can see, it is very stretchy, and it confirms right back to its original state. And this can be a very effortless, no thought type of piece that you can just wear out and be good to go, and you look stylish, but you don't have to do too much. And it's definitely giving body, you know what I'm saying? It's doing what it needs to do. It's snatching and it's hugging in all the right places. It is in the color tea, so it is like a gray green mesh, and on the inside it is lined, so it is soft, and that helps prevent it from being see-through. It does come with a zipper in the back. My only downside with the zipper is that I wish it was longer. It is fairly hard to get into just because the zipper stops to where it stops to, and if it was longer, it would be a lot easier to get into. Next up is this sweater vest that I got from Charlotte Russe. I did get it in a size large. This winter, sweater vests have been trending all over Instagram, all over the fashion industry, so I had to cop me a pair. It looks different, I would say. It's not the cutest type of pattern and patchwork, but I really like that, and I wanted to play with that, so that's why I picked it up. When I post this on Instagram, the girls ate it up. I paired it with a brown leather pants. Like, it's giving very much fall vibes, and that's what this sweater vest gives me. I do like that it is oversized, but it's not too fitted. Sometimes you want like that baggy look where you can wear it with like a skirt, for that preppy vibe, or you can just wear it as a dress, like a long sweater vest dress. So I like the other one so much, I had to get it in black and I had to get it in white. Like, you know, I'm that girl, like if I like it, I'm gonna get it in all the colors. So I got this one, and I really like the material. I like that it's cut out on the sleeves, so you can definitely layer with this, wear a blouse underneath it. It's good to have a sweater vest in your closet, just so you have that option to add something different to your wardrobe. Next up is this cardigan, and I did get this one from Russe. I got it in a size extra large, and I really love the fit. It does have pockets, which is really nice as well, and it is a knitted material. It is in the color tan, so it can go with your neutral tone earth colors, or even some jeans, wear it with a bodysuit, pair it with some sneakers if I wanted to go for more of a casual look. And I also did cop this in black, so I will show you that next. This is what the black one looks like. I really like the black one as well. Like if I wanted to go for an all black look, and if I just want to be cozy and comfy, this is the type of thing I will pull out of my closet and wear. Now, I did cop this varsity crop jacket in a size 10. This was on the petite section of Boohoo, and I love the jacket so much I had to get it, so I did size up to a size 10, and must I add, it fits perfectly. As you can see, the sleeves is more of a leather material. It is soft, very cozy. I just love me a varsity jacket. You don't have to put a lot of effort and a lot of thought into styling something like this. You can even wear it with a dress, wear it with a jumpsuit. It's girly, it's fun, and you're definitely gonna feel confident when you put this on.
You know I'm finna go all right. Yeah, you know. Shawty get gold off of my high. Yeah, shawty get gold off of my bitch.
If you're looking for a flannel that is oversized, comfortable, soft, this is the one for you. I got this in a size 6, and it is pretty large on me, which I like. I wanted to go for that oversized look, and it just fits perfectly. It is a good material. It does have buttons right here with the cuffs. On each side, there are buttons going down the flannel, and there are some pockets here as well. You can wear it simple and casual like what I have on. If you want to dress it up, being that it is oversized, you can add a belt, wear it with some thigh-high boots, and that could be a very edgy, sexy look. You can tie it up, you can put it inside pants or jeans. There's so many ways that you can style something like this. Next up, I got these faux leather pants. I really like these pants because they are flared bottom. It has more of a baggier fit to it. I did get this in a size 8, and it is very comfortable. It has a lot of room. There's some stretch to it. There has a button, zippers, belt loops. So there's a lot of good elements to this leather pants. Some of you guys may know, like with leather pants, it can be overly shiny for no reason, but these aren't those. These seem realistic. It is in like a brown color. Move around in it fairly easy, and it'll give you a different look compared to the skinny leg leather pants. I did get it in black, so this is what the black looks like. If I had to rate the two, I really like the brown one better, just because the material is a little slightly different compared to the black ones. I don't get why that is. There's so many ways you can style it, and you can wear it for a lot of seasons. Typically around like winter or fall, these are more prominent, but they are a very chic piece to help elevate your look. Last but not least is this sweatshirt set. It is orange, and it is different. It's like a coral orange where it's not too vibrant, but it's a little bit more neutral down. And this was in the petite section as well, and I did get this in a size 8. And this would be the perfect set if you want to go to Starbucks or go to the movies or just a chill day. You can put this on and you'll feel comfortable all day long. Okay guys, so that concludes the video. Be sure to comment down below which item was your favorite. If you'd like to see more videos like this, more hauls, or what other brands you would like to see me do a review on, be sure to follow me on Instagram at JoTayStyles, on Instagram and TikTok, and on Pinterest at JoTayStyles with 2 Z's. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off of that head. Shawty get thrown